So this is the fuel pump mod from Kawi Performance, and here we have our factory float arm. So this is for an Ultra 310 that I've got this. And so what we determined after some testing is that the factory float arm really didn't show you the correct fuel level. And it basically went to empty at about 50 miles. So typically your Ultra 310, you'll be able to achieve a range of about 80 miles. So here I'm going to show you how to remove the factory fuel arm from your pickup and to install this Kawi Performance modified extended reach float arm. All right, so to do this, you're going to need a little flathead screwdriver like this and a little pliers. So first I'm going to take this screwdriver and carefully we're going to go like this and wedge that against this plastic piece here, okay? Then we're going to take this hook and you're going to go in just like that and dislodge this arm from the plastic assembly there. All right, so here is our new one. You can see that it's going to be angled like this. So you can see how this angles down at 90 degrees. That's going to go in right like this. So this goes in just like that. I'm going to use these little needle nose to snap it in the rest of the way. So there you go. It literally just, this is plastic here holding it. Nothing crazy, so you want to be very careful. Now I just want to show you the way that this mod kit works is you have these brackets and this band. And you'll see that this looks like it's actually resting against the bracket, and it is. It slightly touches it, and you can see the filter here. It's the back arm of this is slightly touching the filter, but not enough to affect or interfere with this float assembly. So we did check the resistance of this, and it does go to empty, and then obviously it goes to full. All right, so you can see that when this is empty, it's going to be at 120.6 ohms, and I just want to show you here. If I bounce this around a little, it is going to the full closed position. It is not rubbing. You can see that fully open now. It's going to be at about 4 ohms. Okay, so now you're wondering, how do I get this float off? Because you can see this clip is very close. So I'm going to show you very easily. So take the float in your hand. You need a hard surface. You're going to hold the float and you're just going to press down. You're going to see that now the shaft is at the end of the clip. I'm going to turn it sideways, use my hand to pull the old shaft out, and you can see that that little clip came off right there. Okay, it's right there. So now here's my new float. We're going to go ahead, put it in place. So here's the float. There's the clip. And then you can just use a little pliers here. There you go. So now we're going to go ahead and install this back into the ski. So this is a huge pain in the ass to get the pump into the ski. So here's our pump. You're going to hold it like this with the float facing towards you, towards the left side of the ski. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our spacer and we're going to put this all through the spacer, okay? Now just trust me on this. This is what we have to do. All right, so I'm going to try to give you a close-up view. I'm going to do this with one hand, okay? I'm going to try. So you want the float facing towards the left of the ski. You want the spacer up at the top here, and you want the fuel outlet pointing towards the right of the ski. So first we're going to put our float in. Try to focus. Then we're going to put our bag in. Okay, so then you can see this spacer here. You just kind of got to lower it a bit so that it fits through the opening. And then I'm going to try to get you the shot here. We're going to lower it down. We're going to line up our peg. And there you go.
Make sure to check out my comprehensive installation tutorial for the Kawi Performance Fuel Pump Mod Kit. You can check this out on my Kawi Performance playlist. If this video is helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.